Hello, my name is Adam Hollier and I would like to invite you to join us on a walk-in workshop. The purpose of the workshops are to learn more about your camera, take better pictures and enjoy the great outdoors. These walk-in workshops are aimed at people who perhaps are relatively new with their camera, but perhaps they've got a new digital SLR for a present or for Christmas and they want to just get a little bit more out of it. It's also suitable for those who are perhaps weekend photographers or semi-professional photographers and they just want to up their game just a little bit more. The thing I find about photography, it's 1/3 this and 2/3 this. Now I can teach you this, how to master this in probably a couple of hours. The rest, seeing the picture, finding the right composition, is all about going out there, doing it, seeing the picture, perhaps being led in a slight way and understanding how to point the viewer in the right direction. And I can teach you that on one of our walking workshops.